Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes honey, it's now live. What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?
Hey everyone, welcome back, guys. I know it's been a minute, but I am here. Have no fear. Okay, guys, so today we are going to be making oven-baked chicken and rice casserole, guys. Okay? So that is what we're going to be doing today. So before we get into it, let's wash our hands. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to be using this pot here just to season everything and put everything in. You're going to need a baking dish, something like this, okay? A nice deep one. And then you also want to turn your oven on 350 degrees. So we can do that already. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean our chicken now. So I'm using chicken thighs and also chicken legs. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just take off all of this fat on here. Okay, we want to make sure that all of this fat and stuff is off of the chicken. Okay. You don't want to eat this stuff. Okay. All right. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do is get my big knife and I'm going to chop the legs in two. Okay. It'll make it easier to cook. All right. I'm also going to do the same thing for the thighs. Chop them in two. You can also use chicken breast for this as well. You can use chicken breast for this too. Okay. All right. That's one. All right. Now we're gonna wash the chicken again. Make sure you run some cold water. All right. Okay. Gonna dump all of this yucky stuff in the garbage. All right. All right. I'm gonna pour some vinegar. All right. How's everybody day going? Hope you guys are having a lovely day out there. Okay, so now that our chicken is nice and washed, okay. Oh, I forgot one. We're gonna chop that one out. We're gonna put our chicken in here. Okay. Let's chop up this last one. Okay, so make sure to clean water and I'm hot. Okay. Now, off. Okay. Now we're gonna chop up our vegetables, guys. So we have one yellow onion. So we're only gonna use a half, guys. Okay, let's pour some water over it. We're only going to use a half, so we're going to chop it up really nice. Okay. Alright. So you don't need a lot of onions. I'm just putting just a few. You want to chop it up really nice. So you can have that nice onion taste. Okay? Alright, let's put this away. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna put our onions in here. Alright, we're gonna do the other half of onion. Okay. Look at onion. Ooh. Okay. Alright. The next one is the green pepper, guys. Oh my. Crying in the kitchen. Okay. You ever want to make somebody cry? Get some onions. Oh boy. For the peppers, you want to make sure that you crop it up really, really fine. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is our red pepper. So you just need to cut a little bit of the bell pepper. is we're gonna put our vegetables. We have some peas and carrot here. This is frozen. Okay. So we're gonna put about a cup of this. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put a half, because you wanna make sure that it covers in there. Okay. Alright. The next thing that we're gonna put into our mixture here is a cup and a half of rice. So you can use Uncle Ben's. I'm using Carolina Golden, and you can also use the jasmine rice. Okay, so I'm using a cup, as you can see there, a cup of rice. So a cup and a half. All right, and then we're gonna put a cup of water. You can use water, or you can use chicken broth. Okay. All right. So now that that is done, now it's time to season your food. So I'm gonna get my little spoon here. Just stick that there. I'm gonna use some garlic powder. All right. We have some paprika, just a little bit, not too much. Okay. We have some onion powder. All right. And some adobo seasoning, not too much. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna drop about 3 of the bay leaves for the seasonings of the rice. So this is dry bay leaves. Okay. And then we're gonna sprinkle some parsley in there. Okay. And then we have our olive oil. So this is extra virgin olive oil by the Goya brand. So this is about a cup full. Okay, that's gonna help your rice cook. And then you're gonna need 2 of the Sazon packets. Okay. All right. And then now we're gonna mix. So we mix it all together. Mix it all together. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to add 2 sticks of the butter. Okay? After I pour it into my baking dish, and then we're gonna add our water. Okay, so slowly put it into your dish. Okay, slowly put it into your dish. Make sure you get everything in there. All right. Okay. Now we're going to cut some butter. So about 2 or 3 slices, doesn't matter. Okay. And Now we need to put our water. So you can use a cup like this. This is a coffee mug. So this amount is good. So that's a cup of water. So you can use water or chicken broth. Sorry guys. You can use water or chicken broth. Alright, and we're gonna bake this for about 30 minutes. And what you do is you gradually check your grains to make sure the rice is cooked. Okay? See how nice and pretty it looks? Okay guys, so now we're gonna put this in the oven. Alright guys, so we'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay you guys, so it has been 30 minutes. We're gonna take our casserole out the oven to see how it looks. Alright, let's get our oven mitts. Alright, here we have it guys. Our oven baked chicken casserole is done. Look at that guys. Look at that. See how beautiful it looks guys? The chicken is nice and brown. The rice is nice and colorful. Okay. We're going to get our plates so we can plate. Okay. See, nice and steamy. Alright. Something light, something nice and, you know, it's not too heavy on the stomach. Not too heavy on the stomach. Okay. Alright. And there we have it, guys. This is our chicken, oven baked chicken casserole, guys. There we have it. Look at that. See how beautiful it looks, guys? Something simple, something cute, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tap that notification bell each time I go live or each time I upload a video. And you watching, make sure you go check out my book. It's available on Amazon, also Barnes & Nobles, and houseofxentertainment.com. You will find the links in the description. I love you guys. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you all.
What's up, YouTube family? What's up?